Good morning, dear students. We are taking our lesson number 1, that is rational numbers, in which in the previous lecture we have studied about how to divide the two rational numbers. Okay, so how to divide the two rational numbers? Write your first rational number as it is, change your division symbol to the multiplication symbol and write the reciprocal of second section. Okay, you all know what is the reciprocal of a rational number? Reciprocal of a rational number is nothing but you have to change your numerator with denominator. If your rational number is 2 upon 5, so your rational number is 2 upon 5, so its reciprocal is 5 upon 2. If your rational number is minus 2 upon 5, your reciprocal is minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so if your rational number is minus 2 upon minus 5, so the reciprocal of it is minus 5 upon minus 2, and if the number is 2 upon minus 5, so again the reciprocal of it is minus 5 upon 2. That means you have to change numerator, you have to replace numerator with the denominator and the denominator with the numerator, and if there is they both having the same symbol, then place it. If they both having no symbol, then you have to write the direct answer. But if the rational number having the 1 minus symbol, then just place it to the numerator. अगर कहना ये चाह रहे हैं कि अगर आपको रेसिप्रोकल लिखना है, आपके रैशनल नंबर में एक ही माइनस सिंबल है इधर न्यूमरेटर में या न्यूमरेटर में, तो आप उसे रेसिप्रोकल लिखते समय न्यूमरेटर में प्लेस कीजिए. ठीक है, अगर आपके दोनों इसमें है तो आपको दोनों में लगाना ही पड़ेगा, और नहीं है तो आप नहीं लगाओगे. लेकिन अगर एक है वो न्यूमरेटर में हो या डिनोमिनेटर में हो, आप हमेशा उसे न्यूमरेटर में ही प्लेस करो. ओके ना. आफ्टर दैट मैंने आपको बोला था कि आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं. वी आर स्टार्टिंग अवर एक्सरसाइज 1D. ओके, सो एक्सरसाइज 1D, question number 1. What is your first question? Your first question is perform the following divisions. That means you have to solve the questions below it. Okay, so try to solve them. Your first question is minus 3 by 7 divided by 1 by 3. Minus 3 by 7 divided by 1 by 3. This is your question. Okay, now how to solve it. अब इसे कैसे solve करते हैं? So your solution here is write your question once again. Write your question once again. After that, write your first fraction as it is. Write your first fraction as it is. Change your division symbol to the multiplication symbol. Change your division symbol to the multiplication symbols and write the reciprocal of it is 3 upon 1. So reciprocal of your first number is 3 upon 1. So what will be your answer? Your answer is minus 3 multiplied with 3. It is minus 9, and 7 multiplied with 1. It is 7. Okay. So here notice one thing. Minus symbol multiplied with minus symbol is a plus. Okay. So minus symbol multiplied with plus symbol is minus. Plus symbol multiplied with minus is your minus, and plus symbol multiplied with plus is your plus. Okay. So यहाँ पे क्या था? minus multiplied with plus. Minus multiplied with plus. Your answer is minus. Plus multiplied with plus. Your answer is plus. Okay. So इसको आप लिख के रख लीजिएगा. ठीक है. Now this is your question number 1. Now after that, what is your question number 2? Your question number 2 is simplify. Your question number 2 is simplify. Okay. So what is your first question? Your first question is 13 upon 21. 13 upon 21 divided with 39 upon 42. 39 upon 42 multiply with minus 7 upon 9. Multiply with minus 7 upon 9. That means clearly it is given. You have to solve it. There is no distributive property. ठीक है, आप इसमें distributive property नहीं लगाना क्योंकि here the symbol is division, not plus, not minus. We are applying distributive property when there is a plus or the minus symbol. So make sure here you don't apply the distributive property because there is a division symbol. तो आपको यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी कब लगाते हैं? जब एक टर्म कॉमन बाहर की होती है. यहाँ पे डिवीजन या मल्टीप्लिकेशन का सिंबल होता है, यहाँ पे प्लस या माइनस का सिंबल होता है. ओके, सो फॉर द सॉल्यूशन राइट योर क्वेश्चन once again. For the solution write your question once again. Okay, for this after that change this. So write your first fraction as it is. Write your first fraction as it is. After that change your division symbol to the multiplication symbol and write the reciprocal of your second fraction. What is your second fraction? Your second fraction is 39 upon 42. So what is the reciprocal of it? The reciprocal of it is 42 upon 39. So 13 upon 21 is multiplied with 42 and in the denominator it is 39 and it gets multiplied with minus 7 upon 9. It gets multiplied with minus 7 upon 9. Now 13 ones are 13, okay, and 13 threes are 39. 21 ones are 21 and 21 twos are 42. हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे? कैंसलेशन. 13 ones are 13 and 13 threes are 39 and 21 ones are 21 and 21 twos are 42. Okay, so it gets cancelled. Now what will it become? It becomes 1 upon 1 multiplied with 2 upon 3 and it gets multiplied with minus 7 upon 9. Okay, so your answer becomes 1 into 2 is 2 and 1 into 3 is equals to 3. Multiply with minus 7 upon 9. Okay, so 2 multiplied with minus 7 is minus 14 and 3 multiplied with 9 is 27. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 7 is 14 and 3 multiplied by 9 as a 27. So this will be your final answer. This will be your final answer. In this way you have to solve your question number 2. In this way you have to solve your question number 2. Now there is a question number 3. What is your question number 3? Your question number 3 is calculate minus 4 upon 9 divided with minus 3 upon 4 divided with 6 upon 11 and minus 3 upon 7 divided with 6 upon 11 divided with 22 upon 23. You have to find out the value for the both this question and you have to check are the two results the same. आपको ये बताना है कि क्या ये दोनों रिजल्ट्स जो वहाँ पे शो हो रहे हैं वो सेम है या नहीं है. ओके, सो फॉर दिस question number 3. What is your question? Minus 4 upon 9 divided with 3 upon 4 divided with 6 upon 11. Okay, I am starting solution from here. Okay, so this will be your first question. There are two questions and you have to find out the answer for both of these and you have to check the results for both of these or answer of both of these are same or not. So this is your first question. So it is equals to minus 4 upon 9. Division symbol changes to the multiplication symbol and your second fraction becomes 4 multiplied with 3 and it gets divided with the 6 upon 11. It is divided with the 6 upon 11. So it is equals to minus 16 upon 27 divided with 6 upon 11. Divided with 6 upon 11. Okay. So after that you can write it as minus 16 upon 27 multiply with 11 upon 6. ठीक है, क्या किया हमने? ये आपका क्वेश्चन गिवन था. After that we write our first fraction number as it is, change division symbol to the multiplication symbol and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay. After that we solve it. That is 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 and the minus multiplied with plus is minus. 9 into 3 is 27 and the term that is outside the bracket remain as it is. Okay. After that first fraction number again as it is, division symbol changes to the multiplication and second fraction you have to write the reciprocal of it. Okay. So it will become 2 3s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. But remember that we have to take the symbol also. So it will become minus 8 upon 27 multiplied with 11 upon 3. Okay. So minus 8 into 11 it is equals to minus 88 and in the denominator 27 into 3 it is equals to 81. Okay. So this is your answer for the first question. Okay. Now we are finding the answer for your second question. What is your second? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में दो क्वेश्चंस है. आपको दो क्वेश्चंस के आंसर निकालना है, बताना है कि वो आंसर सेम आ रहे हैं या नहीं. ओके. आई एम नॉट इरेजिंग द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके. सो व्हाट इज योर सेकंड क्वेश्चन? योर सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज minus 3 upon 7 divided with 6 upon 11 divided with 22 upon 20. Okay. क्या करेंगे हम? We have to solve the bracket first. According to BODMAS rule, we are solving the bracket first. Okay. So write the term as it is, that is minus 3 upon 7 divided with, and in the bracket you can write 6 upon 11 multiply 23 upon 22. क्या किया हमने स्टेप में? फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन को एज इट इज रखे हैं, डिवीजन सिंबल को मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल से चेंज किए एंड द सेकेंड वाला जो फ्रैक्शन है उसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखा. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट minus 3 upon 7 divided with 2 3s are 6 and 2 11s are 22. So it becomes 3 upon 11 multiplied with 23 upon 11. Okay. You can only cancel your numerator with the denominator but not numerator with the. ऐसे मत करना कि 11 से 11 को कैंसिल कर दिए. नहीं, आप ये नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल होता है, डिनोमिनेटर से डिनोमिनेटर नहीं होता. ठीक है. सो इट बिकम्स minus 3 upon 7 divided by 3 into 23 that is 69 and 11 into 11 it is equals to 121. It is equals to 121. So your answer is minus 3 upon 7 multiply with 121 upon 69. 121 upon 69. Okay. So minus 88 upon 81. Remember this answer. Okay. So it gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 and 3 से 69 को डिवाइड करोगे तो 23 से हो जाएगा. इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं होता है. तो here we write minus 1 in the denominator it is 7 multiply with 121 and in the denominator it is 23. So what will be your answer? Minus 121 and in the denominator it is 161. Okay. So if we are finding the answers for both of the question given in the question number 3, our answers are different. उसके लिए क्या आया था -88 अपॉन समथिंग एंड इसके लिए आया -121 अपॉन 161. ये दोनों किसी भी नंबर से कैंसिल आउट नहीं होते तो हम इसे कैंसिल भी नहीं कर सकते. सो राइट इन द लास्ट. उसने क्वेश्चन पूछा है आर द टू रिजल्ट्स the same? Are the two results the same? So you have to write in the last, no, the two results, no, the two results, no, the two results are not same. ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में हमने क्या किया है, हमने नॉर्मली डिवाइड किया. तो नॉर्मली डिवाइड करने के लिए क्या करना होता है, यू हैव टू राइट योर फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन एज इट इज, डिवीजन सिंबल चेंजेस टू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल एंड राइट द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द सेकंड फ्रैक्शन. ओके, इन द सिंप्लीफिकेशन क्वेश्चन गो विद द BODMAS रूल. फर्स्ट सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट्स, देन फाइंड आउट द आंसर एंड देन जो ब्रैकेट्स के आंसर है उनके ऊपर कैलकुलेशंस परफॉर्म करना है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज state whether the following statement is true or false. That means in this question you have to verify your question. For that, find out the value for the LHS as well as for the RHS. दोनों का वैल्यू निकालोगे और चेक करोगे कि वो इक्वल आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. अगर इक्वल आ रहा है that means true, इक्वल नहीं आ रहा है that means false. So question number 4 is the homework for you and the remaining question of question number 1 and 2 are also homework for you. So solve it. And the remaining question, that is from the question number 5, we are taking in our next lecture. Till then, bye, take care.